Zoe, listen. Is there a very loud sound at the zoo? Is it a real lion? I want to know now.
What are you two doing in your room?
Mom, we are playing zoo. My lion is the king. No, my elephant is much bigger. But the lion is stronger. Elephants are strong too. Listen to my elephant sound. Zoe, that does not sound like an elephant. Yes, it does. It sounds like an elephant. No, it does not. Yes, it does.
Oh, what is happening in here?
Mom, my lion is winning. No, my elephant is winning.
Do you two like the zoo that much?
Yes, I love the zoo. Me too. I want to see a real elephant.
Then everyone, get ready.
Why, Mom?
Because today we are going to the city zoo.
Really? A real zoo?
Yes, a real zoo. Now brush your teeth and get dressed.
This is the best day ever. I will see a real lion. And I will see a real elephant.
Slow down, you two. And do not forget to brush your teeth.
Ben, hurry up. I am trying. Ugh. Where are my shoes? Maybe they are under the bed. Oh, I found them. Great.
Good. Now let's choose our clothes.
I want to wear an animal shirt today. Good idea. I will wear my lion shirt. Roar! You are a funny lion.
Oh, you two look like little animals at the zoo.
Dad, what animal do you want to see?
I want to see the giraffe.
Why?
Because giraffes have very long necks. I want to see one eat leaves from a tall tree.
A neck like a ladder.
Is everyone ready?
Ready!
Then let's go. Into the car, everyone.
I will sit by the window. I want to look outside too.
Remember to wear your seatbelts.
Is everyone ready?
Ready! Ah! What animal do you think we will see first? The elephant. I hope it is the elephant. I hope it is the lion.
There are many animals at the zoo. We will see them one by one.
I see the zoo gate. We are here. The zoo gate is so big. Can we go inside now?
First, we need to buy tickets.
Hello, 4 tickets to the zoo, please.
Here are 4 tickets for your family.
The tickets are so cool! There is a lion! And there is an elephant, too!
Have a great time at the zoo. Let's look at the map first.
Look! The monkey is jumping in the tree! It is so funny!
Monkeys like to climb, and they are very good at holding on with their hands.
I can climb like a monkey, too!
You can pretend, but stay behind the fence, okay?
Now, let's go see the giraffes. Look, the giraffe is eating leaves from the tall tree.
Its neck is so long, like a ladder. Why is the giraffe's neck so long?
Its long neck helps it eat leaves high up in the trees.
It is so gentle.
Next is the elephant area.
They are so big.
Yes, elephants are very strong animals.
Look at its long nose.
That is called a trunk.
What can a trunk do?
It can pick up food and drink water.
Look! It is taking a bath! That is so funny!
The elephant looks very happy.
I love elephants. A lion! A real lion! Is it sleeping?
Yes, lions need rest too. Let's use quiet voices so we do not bother it.
I will be quiet. The lion is so strong. Wow, that roar is so strong.
That's right. Lions are very strong, so we always watch from a safe place.
I will stay behind the glass. I can still see it very well. My shirt has a lion, but the real lion is even cooler.
We have seen so many animals. Now let's take a little break.
Let's take a little break. We have walked a lot today.
I like the lion the most. Its roar was so strong. I like the elephant the most. It can take a bath with its trunk.
Every animal has something special. Monkeys are good at climbing. Giraffes have long necks. Elephants have trunks.
And when we watch animals, we should stay in the right place, use gentle voices, and respect them.
Yes!
Now let's go back to the car.
Did everyone have fun today?
So much fun! Let's come to the zoo again next time.
Of course. Next time, we will learn even more new things.